Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 11th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the dollar yen, we did have a bank holiday today in the US, so a little bit slow this afternoon. London session started off very nice. Now, I have a hard time not continuing to be bullish because we still have not hit that 78% Fibonacci retracement from the daily, weekly time frame. And this move up right here potentially could just be three waves. So this could be like an ABC expanding pullback, and it possibly might just keep on going up. Even though we did break structure to the downside, that could just be an expanding ABC that very likely could just continue the higher time frame uptrend. Because the weekly and because the daily is in an uptrend, I have a hard time not continuing to do nothing but look for longs on pullbacks, at least until we make our way up to that 78%, which is right around the 155 or 154.8 area. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.